Hi everyone, Luke from Hotwire here in our frequently asked questions series on the Hotwire range of heated towel rails. I was chatting to someone the other day who said that he couldn't afford to keep his heated towel rail running, so he hadn't used it in years. And I was really confused, and I said to him, it only costs about a cent or two an hour to run. And he had no idea. So your heated towel rails are really inexpensive to run, depending of course on how long you run them for and how you use your bathroom. But in general, a heated towel rail is only going to cost you a cent or two an hour to run. So you don't need to worry about the running costs. They are really inexpensive. And for all the luxury you get from that, it's an absolute bargain. So don't worry about your heated towel rail. Run it as often as you feel you'd like. You'll love the benefits and won't have to worry about the running costs. As always, we can't wait to help you get Hotwired.